So the fishing absolutely sucks today. I don't know what's going on. Very weird. No, it's ultra fucking weird. Always do very, very well in here. I can't find a fry ball to save my life. This is normally a little bit of a beaver dam here. We have to get out and climb over the top. But now there's so much water in this little creek or canal, whatever the hell it is. Watch this. Normally we'd have to step out of the yaks and climb over this thing. But it's an old beaver dam right in front of me. So we're just going to ramp it up. It's never like that. That's usually a mountain to climb. I had one little bass on, that was it. I think we got like a thunderstorm blowing in here. But maybe I can get to the other side before it rains a little bit. I'll see you over there. Let's try it over on the other side. Right in front of me is a fry ball, right here. Snakehead fry ball, right out there. Let's see if we can piss something off here. There's usually two adults around it. Let's see what happens. He went after it, didn't hit it. Yep, he's there. Right here. Need a fry ball? I'll throw beyond the fry ball. See if the adult comes after it. We're going right through the fry ball right now. Trying to piss off the adult. And there you go, there you go, there you go. Fish on. You got him. There you go, there we go. There we go, snakehead. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yep. Well, I got him. Yeah, I got him off. Okay, fry ball's still here, and the other adult's right next to it. See if we can catch that one. Yep, yep. There you go. That's the other one. Yeah, snakehead. Yeah. There you go. All right. So, okay. There you go.